How to fix HTTP error 500. HTTP error 500 is a generic error that indicates something went wrong on the website server, but the server could not provide more specific details. There are many possible causes and solutions for this error, depending on the website and the server configuration. Here are some tips for fixing HTTP error 500. Reload the web page. Sometimes, the error is temporary and can be resolved by refreshing the page. You can do this by clicking the reload button on your browser or pressing F5. Clear your browser's cache and cookies. If there is a problem with the cached version of the page or the cookies stored by the website, it may cause the error. You can clear your cache and cookies from your browser settings or history menu. Contact the website owner or administrator. If the error persists, it may be a problem on the website's end that only the owner or administrator can fix. You can try to find their contact information on the website or use a tool like Hoi Superscript 2 to look up their domain registration details. On your server. If you are the owner or administrator of the website, you can check the error logs on your server to see what caused the error. The location and format of the error logs may vary depending on your server software and hosting provider. You can also enable debug mode on your website to display more information about the error. Troubleshoot the common causes of the error. Some of the common causes of HTTP error 500 are incorrect file permissions, corrupted or missing files, syntax errors in the code, incompatible plugins or themes, insufficient memory or disk space, misconfigured server settings, etc.